Hello children. So we have completed our Tenali paints a horse lesson. Yes? Yes. Now after completion of the lesson, he has given the glossary, that means grammar part, meanings, whatever it means. So first of all, we are going to learn the vocabulary part here. Okay, he is mentioned in the page number 61. Yes. In the page number 61, he has mentioned the vocabulary part. Our first bit is in the vocabulary part. The first bit is fill in the blanks with suitable words given below. Yes, fill in the blanks with suitable words given below. First one. So he has given the words covered, imagination, gesture, please, penalty. All are able to see now 61 page number he has given in the box. Yes, all the words he has given. We should have to write the correct means suitable words in the fill in the blanks. Yes, accordingly. Now, children, first one. Birbal was a dash in the court of Akbar. We have learned about the Tenali. Tenali is the dash in the court of Sri Krishna Devaraya. He is a jester. So, he is also a Birbal is also a jester in a court of Akbar. So, first one answer is the jester. How you know? The third one is given us here. Jester. Jester. Okay, he is the jester. Birbal was a jester in the court of Akbar. First one. Now the second one. The teacher was dashed with the nice work done by his people. If your teacher encourages you when you do something good. Yes or no? So here the second one. The teacher was dashed. Dash means which word is the correct word here? Covered or imagination. Gesture is completed. Fourth one is the pleased. Next fifth is penalty. Which one will suitable for this fill in the blank? So pleased. Second one is the pleased. Pleased will P-L-E-A-S-E-D. Pleased is the suitable word for the second one. The teacher was pleased with the nice work done by his people. Now third one. Sharada paid a dash for not paying the fees on time. Okay, she didn't pay the Sharada did not pay the fees in time. So she has to dash. Which matches this in this fill in the blank? Let us see in the box. Covered. Sharada paid a covered. No. Sharada paid a imagination. No. Sharada paid a gesture. No. Sharada paid a please. No. Sharada paid a penalty. Yes, penalty. Nothing but fine. Okay, she paid a fine for not paying the fee on time. So third one is the penalty. 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 Fourth one is when I visited Kashmir. All of the Kashmir? Yes, top of our Indian map. Jammu and Kashmir. Yes, so Jammu and Kashmir. So when I visited Kashmir, the mountains were dashed with snow. So first one here in the box. Mountains were covered, imagination, gesture, pleased or penalty. Which one is the first correct answer? The first word in the box is the correct answer. The mountains were covered. C-O-V-E-R-E-D. Covered. Got children? Now fifth one. You should use your dash when you look at a painting. Sorry. Yes, painting. When you see the picture or a painting, so you should have to just see the get the dash. Okay. Just you should have to imagine the front part is seen, the remaining back part is not seen. So just we should have to imagine the behind part. Okay. So imagination. Yes, you should use your imagination. I-M-A-G-I-N-A-T-I-O-N. Imagination. Got children? These are the fill in the blanks. Okay. With the suitable words given in the box, we have completed the fill in the blank. Next, second part we are going to learn. What is that? Phrasal verbs. Phrasal P-H-A-P-H-R-A-S-A-L. Phrasal verbs. What? See here. Phrasal verbs. What are the phrasal verbs? Verbs. Everybody knows the verb. Verbs are the action words. Yes or no? Action is nothing but whatever we are doing in our daily life. Doing. means working, playing, singing, dancing, whatever it may be. These all are the action. So verbs. This comes under the verb. Now what are the phrasal verbs? Let us see from this paragraph. A phrasal verb is a phrase which consists of a verb. So it consists of what here? It consists of a verb. Okay, it consists of verb and preposition also. Preposition P-R-E-P-O-S-I-T-I-O-N. Preposition also. Next, or an adverb. Instead of preposition, adverb is also used. Okay, adverb is also used, or both of them are used. This and this, both of them also used in the phrasal verb. Now children, see a definition. Phrasal verb is nothing but phrasal verbs are the phrases. Okay, they are the phrases which consist of the verb, preposition, or adverb, or both of them. Both of them means a preposition and the adverb. Okay. Next, or both of them, the meaning of which is different from the meaning of its separate part. But this all consists of verb, preposition, adverb. But its meaning is totally different. Okay, totally different from its separate part. Okay. Now see here, you have really caught him out, sir. Yes. Here one sentence he has given. The first one is, you have really caught him out, sir. Okay, caught him out. Yes, with a dark ink he has given. Listen, caught him out, sir. Second one, perhaps his painting is so good that he can't also we can take short form. Okay, perhaps his painting is so good that he can't bear to part with it. Okay, part with. P-A-R-T, part with. Yes, this is also one type of the phrasal verb. Now he is explaining the meanings of these words, caught him out and part with. Okay, now see here. The words in bold are the phrasal verbs. What are the words in bold are phrasal verbs. Both words are there now, part with and caught him out. All are able to see now from the page number 61, children. Caught him out and part with. Okay, these are both of them are the phrasal verbs. The phrase caught out means show that something does not know much. Something that does not, somebody does not knows much. Somebody does not knows much means they know something about them. Okay, next, the phrase part with means to give something to somebody else. We are giving something to somebody else. That is the part with. Okay, especially something that you would prefer to keep. Means something that you preferring to keep it with you. Okay, now turn the page number 62. Okay, first one, number one question he has given. Consult a dictionary. How you consult for a doctor. The same way you should have to consult a dictionary. Dictionary is not a human being where you are going to consult. It is a book, dictionary. Everybody knows, no? So consult a dictionary and list out the phrasal verbs beginning with catch and part. Write some sentences of your own for each phrasal verb. Okay, this is a small homework now for you. Small, no need of writing. Okay, no need of writing. You just refer their meanings from the dictionary itself. Now come to the second part. Read the following passage. Down he has given the passage. Yes, from the page number 62, he has given the passage. Yes or no? Yes. Now circle the phrasal verbs. Okay, we are going to circle the phrasal verbs and guess their meaning. We are circling the phrasal verbs and guessing their meanings. Yes. Now you may choose the meaning from the list given in the box. Okay, whatever the meaning is you are circling, no, whatever the phrasal words you are circling in the paragraph, you should have to, what you should have to, you should have to choose the meaning for these from the list given in the box, from the words given in the box. Write the phrasal verbs and their meanings in your notebook also. Got here? You should have to write this in your notebook also. Write one sentence of your own for each phrasal verb. Now, shall we start the paragraph reading now? Everybody should see the textbook carefully. First paragraph, Roman number 1, I am reading. Or before that, I am going to read the. We are going to read the words given in the box. First one is managing. What is that? Managing. Investigating is the second one. Third one is compensated. Compensated for. Okay, compensated for. We will search the meaning for the from the paragraph later on. Avoid or escape. Next one, taking care of. Next, notice. Next, someone. Notice someone. Now last one is the succeed here. Okay, now shall we start the reading the paragraph? Okay, from the paragraph we should circle the what? Phrasal verb. Circle the phrasal verb and we are going to find the meaning from the box given in the textbook. First one. Ramana Rao's house was robbed of. Means Ramana Rao, one person name. So his house was robbed. Robbing, you know, thieving the things. Okay, thieving. Okay, robbed of Venkateshwara Rao, the inspector of police who was looking into the case, released the picture of the suspect and asked the people to look out for him. Okay, so till here I have it, children. So I here you should have to circle the phrasal verb. So I am wrote the phrasal verb from the textbook on the blackboard. Okay, that only you should have to circle the phrasal verb. Okay, you have circle the phrasal verbs. Yes. Next one, we should have to find the meaning now further. So these words meanings are found in the boxes given in the textbook. So now tell me, looking into will be the answer. Looking into is the meaning of dash from the box. What is the correct answer will be? Looking into means searching for somebody, trying to guess somebody, trying to get something. Okay, so what is the meaning in our own words you can tell? That is the investigation. Okay, investigating. investigating. Investigating is the right meaning for looking into. Next one. Second one is looking out for. I have read the sentence now. So it is in the third line. Looking out for. Third line. All are able to see here. Looking out for. Looking out for is the meaning for the phrasal verb. Okay. Which is the phrasal verb in this? Looking out for is the meaning for notice someone. Notice, N-O-T-I-C, notice someone. Notice someone. Next children, in a next line, third line, in a press release, he said that he had some clues and that the robber could not get out of the case. Get out. Yes, got it? Get out is the avoid or escape. Avoid, A-V-O-I-D. Avoid or escape. E-S-C-A-P-E. Escape. Now, next paragraph. Next Roman number. Bhanu joined a new company. In the first paragraph, we have got 1, 2, 3 phrasal verbs along with their meanings. Yes? Now, in the second paragraph, Bhanu joined a few company. Not few, it is a new company. Bhanu joined a new company. In the beginning, she had problem with her manager. But now she is getting on with. I have written, yes, getting on with. This I have completed. Now, the fourth one is getting on with. Getting on with. What is the correct meaning for this phrasal verb here? Getting on with is nothing but managing. Managing is the M-A-N-A-G-I-N-G. Managing is the answer. Okay, answer for getting out with. But now she is getting on with. Getting is nothing but she is managing her new boss very well. Initially she had problems with her paying guest accommodation too. Full stop. But the super deep food her host served made up. Got now here? Made up. Made up is the phrasal verb. What is the meaning for this phrasal verb? Compensated for. Compensated. C-O-M-P-A-N-S-A-T-E-D. Compensated for. Compensated for. Next one. Compensated for. Made up means compensated for the uncomfortable room. Now the problem is with looking after. Now the problem is with looking after. Looking after. What is the meaning for looking after? What is that? Taking care of. Taking. T-A-K-I-N-G. Taking care of. Taking care of. Now the problem is with taking care of the host children. They are like little devils. They are like little devils. Now the problem is with looking after the host children. They are like little devils. God only knows how she would get through this. Get through. Get through is the phrasal verb, and the meaning for the phrasal verb get through is succeed. S-U-C-C-E-E-D. S-U-C-C-E-E-D is the meaning for phrasal verb get through. So God only knows how she would succeed this. So this is the phrasal verb we have learned in our class. Okay, children.